Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best car polishers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best car polishers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Avhrit Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit. The Avhrit Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit is an outstanding all-around detailing tool that brings power, portability, and versatility together in one complete package, perfect for car enthusiasts, DIY detailers, and even light professional use. Whether you're polishing paint, removing scratches, waxing, or even working on boats, this kit offers impressive performance and convenience. At the heart of this kit is a 21V cordless polisher powered by two 2000 mAh batteries. This setup delivers reliable and consistent power throughout your detailing tasks, and with 2 batteries included, you can swap one while the other charges, eliminating downtime and keeping your workflow smooth. The 6-inch backing plate strikes a great balance between coverage and control, large enough to tackle bigger panels efficiently, yet compact enough to work around curves, bumpers, mirrors, and tighter spots. The Avhrit Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit is an excellent detailing tool that delivers powerful cordless performance and versatile functionality in a well-rounded package. With ample battery life, adjustable speed control, and a solid set of accessories, it's a fantastic value pick for polishing, waxing, buffing, and light scratch removal on cars, boats, and more. And number 2. AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher. The AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher is a well-designed, reliable dual-action machine that delivers impressive performance for car detailing, polishing, and waxing, especially for users looking for a safe, easy-to-control polisher with professional-looking results. This 6-inch dual-action, random orbital polisher is built with paint safety in mind. The DA motion significantly reduces the risk of swirl marks, holograms, or paint burn, making it an excellent choice for beginners and DIY detailers, while still being effective enough for experienced users. The detachable handle is a standout feature, giving you the flexibility to choose the grip style that feels most comfortable. This improves control and reduces fatigue during longer detailing sessions. The tool feels well balanced in hand, and vibration is well managed for a polisher in this class. Operation is intuitive, with easy-to-adjust speed control that lets you switch tasks quickly without interrupting your workflow. The AOBEN 6-inch dual-action car buffer polisher is an excellent choice for everyday car detailing. It offers a great balance of safety, performance, and ease of use, making it ideal for anyone who wants to improve paint clarity, remove light defects, and apply wax with confidence. For its price and feature set, it's a dependable and highly recommended polisher for home and enthusiast use. And number 3. SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher. The SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher is a compact, versatile, and powerful tool designed for scratch removal, polishing, sanding, and cleaning. It's an excellent choice for car enthusiasts who want professional-looking results in a convenient, cordless format. Powered by a 12V battery, this mini polisher provides true cordless freedom, letting you move around your vehicle without being restricted by cords. It's especially handy for touch-ups, small panels, or interior detailing, where larger polishers may be cumbersome. The battery offers sufficient runtime for most light to medium detailing tasks, and the cordless design makes it ideal for garage, driveway, or even outdoor use. The SPTA 12V cordless mini polisher is an excellent tool for small to medium-scale detailing, scratch removal, polishing, and surface prep. Its compact size, cordless operation, and versatile pads make it perfect for home car enthusiasts, hobbyists, and anyone looking for a convenient, multi-purpose polishing solution. And number 4. AUTIWOZ Cordless Mini Car Polisher. The AUTIWOZ Cordless Mini Car Polisher is a compact, versatile, and highly convenient detailing tool that brings professional-level polishing and scratch removal to your fingertips. Its unique combination of cordless operation, dual-mode polishing, and adjustable speeds makes it an excellent choice for car enthusiasts, hobbyists, and DIY detailers. Powered by two 2000 mAh Li-ion batteries, this mini polisher offers excellent runtime and true portability. You can move freely around your vehicle without worrying about cords or extension cables. The dual battery setup also allows you to swap batteries mid-job, keeping the workflow smooth. The AUTIWOZ cordless mini car polisher is an excellent, highly versatile tool for small area polishing, scratch removal, and waxing. Its dual-mode fast change system, 6-speed control, and cordless convenience make it ideal for DIY detailers and car enthusiasts seeking precision and flexibility in a compact package. And number 5. BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher is an impressive cordless detailing tool that delivers professional-grade performance in a compact and user-friendly package. Perfect for car enthusiasts, weekend detailers, and mobile car care, this polisher combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for polishing, waxing, and paint enhancement. Running on two 2.0 AUTIWOZ lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, the BATOCA polisher offers true cordless freedom without sacrificing polishing power. This lets you work anywhere, garage, driveway, or parking lot, without being tethered to a power outlet. The dual batteries provide solid runtime and consistent performance throughout detailing tasks. The brushless motor is a standout feature in this class. It delivers stronger torque, smoother operation, and longer motor life compared to brushed alternatives. Users often find brushless tools feel more responsive, run cooler, and require less maintenance over time.